Look at what we're gonna make today with this beautiful butterfly pea tea. With just only 4 ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and make butterfly pea tea latte with jasmine water and also condensed milk and 2% milk. I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of butterfly pea tea. This I grow myself and dry myself in my garden. I'm just putting it in a tea steeper. Then I'm going to close it up like this. Let it hang on the side. And we're going to pour 1 cup of hot water. Now let it steep for 5 minutes or until desired color. 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You could use any brand. 1 teaspoon of jasmine flavor. Now mix well. Oh, I can smell the jasmine. It smells so nice. 5 minutes later, look how pretty. Time to froth the milk. I like to use cold milk better than warm milk because it holds better and is more stable. But here's the kicker. Higher fat milk creates richer foams, but lower fat milk create more foams. So there's 2 methods to do if you don't have a machine. You could do the whisk and stove method, or you could use a mason jar and fill up just a quarter and put the lid back on and shake it for 2 or 3 minutes and then pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. We're gonna use the stovetop method because it's gonna be more thick and more foamy. With the jar method, it's gonna be more runny and loose. 1 cup of cold milk on medium heat. We're gonna continue doing this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Look at it, almost there. Look how nice and fluffy it is. Time to make the drink now. I like to put an additional teaspoon of condensed milk on the bottom of my cup. Just a little drizzle there. Just drizzle. Now here's the fun part. Look how pretty. Now it's the froth time. Look how pretty the color is. Look at it. Look how pretty. Just drizzle some. Look at how pretty it is. All done. Look at that.